the Church in Malta has issued clear indications on how to respond to the coronavirus or COVID-19 situation. We are following closely the indications of the health authorities, and my first and important response is a response of civil responsibility. We have to show that we care for each other, and as one society we need to follow the indications of our health authorities. This is also an expression of Christian charity. So what the Vicar General, the Auxiliary Bishop, Monsignor Joseph Galia Kurmi, has sent to all the parishes concerning the way we receive communion, the fact that we are not going to use holy water at the entrance of our churches, are not questions of limiting our expressions of faith, but really an expression of our charity, our mutual respect and care for each other, especially our elder citizens that are more vulnerable in this situation that is evolving on a day-by-day basis. We commit ourselves to following what the health authorities request from us, and we also pray to the Lord that He may deliver us from this situation which is causing distress to so many populations around the world. On Thursday the 12th and Friday the 13th of March, we are asking parishes to organize adoration before the Blessed Sacrament, the recitation of the Holy Rosary, asking the Lord to help us in this situation and bless us with the gift of health in spirit and in body.